You know what, guys? I just discovered one thing that I always go in with this particular method of applying Benetint's lip and cheek tints across my face, and it really makes me look youthful. And there is no second way that I apply this as of now. So let's just get started. So I dab this formula across my cheeks in the horizontal manner. I do not do it vertically or anything or any other way like that. So you make sure that you work in very fast, just because of two things. First, it dries down really very quickly and it can lead to some sort of stain that you do not want. And second, it is really runny, as you can see right now. And guys, whenever you're going for this horizontal kind of a blush look, and make sure that you also put this formula on the very bridge of your nose and not on the tip, okay? And also put some whatever is left on your fingers, put it on your chin. Alright, for the lips, I have also discovered one simple way of using it. First of all, let me just tell you, it does not taste nice. You have to just dab the formula right there. Don't dab it, don't do anything. It'll just dry on its own and it'll look really flattering. And whenever I'm going for really simple looks like this, I make sure that my eye makeup is also really very simple. So I'm just curling my lashes. Of course, you can see curling makes such a huge difference. And this is one of the first revolutionary mascaras that makeup industry was having. This is the one by Maybelline. It's called Colossal. And one more thing, let me just tell you guys, this one separates the lashes beautifully. It does not lengthen them, it separates them, and it also gives it some sort of volume. For the comparison, of course, you can compare it with the second eye. I don't have the mascara on the second eye as of now. It doesn't give volume, but it gently separates your lashes to the perfection, and it keeps holding the curl for like a day. It just works really beautiful and it doesn't smudge. It is buildable, but I don't recommend the second coat. Alright guys, I also like to put it on the outer V portion of my eye, and it really looks flattering. It puts some sort of color, some sort of shadow like effect, and it really looks sun-kissed. And try this one. I'm sure that you're gonna like this method of using this benetint. And of course, for the lips, for the cheeks, and for the eyes, you're using just one product. You're not caking anything. And with such sort of a simple look, I always do recommend using your fingers for the highlighters even, because your fingers are gonna pick the highlighter in the required quantity. It's not gonna cake up or anything. I freakingly love what it does to the inner corners and your eyes. You in particular, you in general look really awake, and that is the best part about it, guys. And guys, get in my closet for more such makeup looks, and I would love to have you on board.